Let's take a look at the manual installation for Neos. The first step is the same as for the automatic installation. We need composer create -project neos/neos-base -distribution, and we're going to call the directory Neos again. Now that this is done, we will not use the setup wizard, but execute the necessary steps manually. Let's create a database for our fresh Neos installation. I'm going to connect to my MySQL host, which I have already running in the background, and issue the command create database. Let's call it 002 manual install. And it's important to set the correct character set, UTF-8, and collation, UTF-8 general CI. Issue that statement, and our database is created. And we can exit the MySQL daemon again. Now that the database is created, let's configure Neos to use it. We'll open the newly created Neos project in an editor and navigate to Configuration and into the development context. Here, Neos has already created an example settings.yaml file for us, and we're just going to rename that and remove the .example extension at the end. So this is going to be used for our local development context. We'll remove all the superfluous comments and set the name of the database we just created here. The user is going to be root, and we have no password set. We save that file, and now Neos knows about our database. Now that Neos knows about our newly created database, let's change into our project directory and execute the Doctrine migrations, which will create Neos' data model. We can do that by issuing the command flow doctrine migrate. This takes a few seconds to do because Neos, on its first run, builds up its caches. And after that is finished, Neos has created its data model. Let's create an administrator account next. Again, there's a flow CLI command for this, and it's called flow user:create, and then we'll pass in the username and the password and the first name and the last name of that user. And we can pass in the argument roles neos.neos:administrator, because Neos by default only creates an editor account. And now we're already able to log in into our newly created Neos installation. Let's issue flow server run, which is a bit faster this time because the data model has already been created and the caches have been built. And by going /Neos, we will now see the Neos backend. When we log in, however, we will not see anything because we haven't imported a site yet. So Neos shows us a page not found error. To fix that error, let's import a site from the Neos.Demo site package, which already came with the Neos installation. We're going to do flow site import -- package key and pass it the package key of the Neos.Demo package. Once we execute that, all content and nodes from the Neos.Demo package will be imported. Let's zoom out here a little bit so we can see the Neos backend better and refresh the page. And the page not found error will have gone away. Instead, we can see the Neos backend with the Neos.Demo page.